Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin price at risk, seeing its rally launch failing and support wears thin. But before we dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space. As I said, if you look at Dogecoin for the moment, you will see a very technically, good start of the year. Let me put in the right cursor there. Good start of the year, 2023. We started off with a bang, some very good rallies, consecutive days of gains. This is a daily chart. You will see that fortunately we did not get all the way up to this pivotal level, which I would like to see pure technically being well respected. Instead, we had a fade, three days of losses. Support here, 1, 2. 3, even below there, 4, and now 5. So 5 days in a row already of support, where bulls were forced to get in order to push price action back up. So a little bit of a risk here could give a false feeling, false sentiment that this rally is going into a second leg. Certainly seeing the turmoil as only now the financial year is finally getting up to speed. So we had the Bank of Japan overnight, central bank. We had the French ECB speaker Villeroy earlier this morning making quite some hawkish comments on the European Central Bank, as markets currently are looking for anything of a Goldilocks scenario. So you get sort of this location between what central banks are telling and what markets are expecting, and that at risk is this rally that we have been seeing. I would love to try to put a trend line on there, but I think it will be a bit too difficult. Not the best, not that well respected. You don't get a third test here in the middle. Maybe this one here. If we mark that up, there we go, and then this one here. This one is quite pivotal one. Start on the 200 day. So expect this profit possibly to materialize. Could well be that near the end of the US session, we see a full pairing back to square one. And once this green trend line breaks, traders are or will be booking quite rapidly their profit from the early days when they entered at the beginning of the year. And then we will see a fall back towards 74. It would not be that unlogic seeing the relative strength index nearing overbought level once again. We barely briefly touched it, but we didn't go into overbought territory just yet. So could well be that we jump over it and then we fall back to more moderate levels. Perfect trade to the upside will be, of course, a brush against the green ascending trend line, a push to the upside, making this a sort of a bullish triangle, and then we can find the dream of the 10 cents in Dogecoin. But for now, seeing the fact that only just now central banks are starting to wake up and more harsh language and hawkish language will come out in the next coming days and weeks in a run-up of the central bank meetings in February, the storm seems to be picking up again for 2023, where we left it off on December 2022. So expect this rally to soon break down and fall back to a more moderate level at this 0.075 level. And that's it for Dogecoin for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.